Ito, maraming makaka-relate dito. Are you 40s and up? Or are you the person who had this goal and you haven't met your goal yet? Yung tipong yung mga kaklase mo dati mayayaman na, or yung mga barkada mo may mga asawa at may mga anak na, or tipong kapitbahay mo may kotse na, may sarili ng bahay, pero you're still in the level of not so ideal at your age. Yeah. Ako kasi naka-question ko rin yung sarili ko before na 42 dapat may asawa at anak na, kasal, dapat mayaman na, yung mga klasiko ganito, ganyan, yung every time na may reunion tatanong asan yung asawa mo, asan yung girlfriend mo, asan yung kailan ka magse-settle down, kailan ka aasenso, yung mga ganyan. But you know what, our life is not a race, hindi to karera. If kukumpara natin to, isa tong marathon. Marathon, ibig sabihin, marami kang pagdadaanan. Hindi lang to takbuhan, hindi lang to swimming, hindi lang to bisikleta. Maraming pagdadaanan bago mo marating yung finish line. And up to now, kahit yung mga mayayaman mong tropa o yung mga tropa mong pamilyado, they are still living their lives. They are still participating in a marathon of life. And you don't have to compare yourself kung anong narating nila at kung ano yung narating mo. Kasi if you start comparing yourself to others, that's the time na malulungkot ka. And that's the time na mafe-feel mo na parang walang saysay yung pinagagagawa ko. And then, you might stop running. You might stop living your life, and that's dangerous. That's why always think na ang buhay ay hindi karera. Okay, so live the life that you're living right now. Focus ka lang sa goal mo, focus ka lang kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin. Don't ever compare yourselves to others na ahead of you para mas maging maganda ang takbo ng buhay mo. Alright? So this is me again, Kuya Bliguero, saying, ako ang kuya mo. God bless you.